P0013, Camshaft Position Actuator Circuit Bank. 1. This code refers to the VVT, Variable Valve Timing, or VCT, Variable Camshaft Timing components. The camshaft position, CMP actuator, is controlled by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, through a high control circuit and a low reference circuit. The high control circuit carries a 12-volt pulse width modulated, PWM signal from the PCM to the CMP actuator solenoid in order to control the amount of engine oil flow to the cam phaser. The low reference circuit is used as a return circuit. The PCM has the ability to monitor the functionality of the high control and the low reference circuit. If the PCM detects an open, a short to ground, or a short to voltage, DTC P0013 sets. The B camshaft refers to the exhaust, right or rear camshaft, looking at the engine from the driver's seat. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. Symptoms may include check engine light illuminated, rough running. Other symptoms may also be present. Causes of this code may mean that one or more of the following has happened. Faulty oil control valve, OCV. Open or short in the OCV. Solenoid valve. Damaged computer, PCM. And if you like the information provided, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.